Obi Cubana still his day, guys. Hell, this video is very, very beautiful to watch. As a family man, as a family woman, as a married man, as a married woman, and to the singles, guys, this video is a must watch. Who said there is no good marriage outside? I beg you, forget it. Forget it, there plenty, but just that they are not on social media. Despite this man's money, the way his wife comes first, it needs to be studied in Harvard. I'm telling you, even Obi Cubana's immediate family, they are testifying to that effect. In fact, let me not do the talking. Let's watch.
Stranded in the island, what I think he will bring, he's a good family man. I think he'll go for his family. The wife, Alex, the child, that is a good family man. Stay with the family.
Phone. His phone, because that's his business and everything. And I believe his family, not just me, his family. When I say family, I mean me, the children, and his friends. He loves his friends.
His family. Yeah. Water. He needs water to survive there.
Well, for my brother that I know, the first thing is the wife, Ebele, aka Lush, must be number one and his priority. Then his Samsung phones, he doesn't joke with those phones to capture every moment. Thirdly, food, good food, especially the Niger food. We're talking about the swallow with correct oha soup or bitter leaf or white soup. Obi likes eating good food.
First, choose his lovely wife, Lush, his family, and finally his phone.
Which network will you see on an island? there's no network there. And you say already I'm stranded. I need water to survive. I need my wife. I need my children. I'm complete. No problem again. I started dating my wife when I was living in a one room. It wasn't even a one room. We were like four guys. We were actually like four guys staying inside one room without bed. The foam was on the floor. You know now, and I keep saying it. I met my wife when I was living in a one room. One room was called as Zone 4. Zone 4 we say in Abuja. You understand? So it wasn't about the money, but we were happy. We were happy. I married her when I was living in a 3-bedroom flat in Gariki. We had our 2 children there. We were happy. You get what I'm trying to say? Some people are very rich. They do not have happiness. They can't find it. But the happiness that flows within is that we have a woman who is ready to keep the home as peaceful as possible. Because peace brings about prosperity. Money does not keep marriage. Money does not keep marriage. But money makes marriage easier. Yes, granted. Okay? So most of the divorce cases, you know, in fact, the richer you are, the more tendency of you to get divorced. That is basic. Women love attention. They love attention. This my wife loves attention. Oh, forget. She loves attention. Okay, you are doing like this. She loves attention. They can one. Come and see your mommy. And in the bed job. Tomato job. Who will not oppose? They can oh, give me. Oh, give me. Oh, give me. Oh, give me.
Baby, I'm cool. Too hot like a heater.
See my guys. Oh, give me. And they think can be good.
See them all before fame. See them before the real oil money. See them after Obi Cubana made it big. Patience is the key word. But don't go be patient with someone where they blow, like when they buzz you. Don't go and be patient with someone that is tormenting you emotionally, financially. That is so, like, I don't know the adjective to qualify what I want to say, what I'm about to say now. But in all that you do, please be patient with someone that is understanding, that is ready to be a man, that is loving, that is ready to give his all. You know, gone are those days when the success of a marriage now lies in the hands of women. Now both parties, they need to work it out, give their all, give their 50-50, their 100-100 for the marriage to work, for the relationship to work. Don't gotta be patient with someone that is not ready to be a man. That's my own.
15 years of life, I told them one time that if anything should ever happen to you, nothing will happen. Nothing can happen. Nothing can happen. I'll tell you, 50 years, 70 years, 80 years.
Already 100.
And we'll be coming together. So, you will live a great life. You will be known for the great things you've done in the lives of people because you have the heart for the people. Please, today is. Today is. God will continue to bless you. God will continue to protect you. You will live a long life. This is like what you've been called for. This is like your purpose in life. To touch people. To touch people's life and to live a good life. Today, please help me say a prayer for my husband. Help me say a prayer for Bato's words. Happy
You see the way she's blessing the husband. That shows that he is indeed a true and a good husband. You see the way she's so proud. That means the man has been there. He said it, his wife likes attention, and the attention he has been giving it to her. They're not in Nigeria. AB Lush, Ebere Lush. This man invested in his wife. This man, despite his money, his status, everything, he values his wife. You see the way even his friends are testifying that he will choose his wife first. Dear married men, you cannot get what you cannot give. That is just it. If you sow love, you receive love. Oh. And you see the way she's prophesying love in presence of their children. Chai, you see, any woman where these children go marry, go enjoy abundance of love because they were trained in love. They watched their mother, their father prophesied love to each other. These children, they were not raised for survival. Yeah. Now, see, if you see any person that is raised for survival, and the person that is raised with so much love, you will know because you self you go feel am, body go tell you. The difference is always clear. I wish them many years ahead together, many more years to Obi Cubana in good health. Oh, that is the most important thing. If now wealth, he has made it, but you see that good health is paramount. May God give him the grace to enjoy all that he has sown in good health to reap the fruit of his labor. Amen. That being said, guys, that brings me to the end of this video. Please do give this video a thumbs up, massive likes, comment, and share so that this video will get the visibility that it needs. In case you're watching for the first time, this is lovely Gist Lover YouTube. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in on this channel. We react, analyze, we give trending gist, celebrity news, true crime and true crime stories. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching, liking, commenting, and sharing. Bye bye for now. As I'm signing for my next one. Peace out. I love you all. Okay, Messi Bye.